Namaste, I am Nardev Azza, student of MIT College BBA third semester. Today I am creating a short blog on the topic of the power of small habit. I have already posted a blog on the related to this topic on my LinkedIn account. You can visit my profile to read it. The power of small habit. Many people believe that success comes from only big action and big decisions. They think that to become successful, they must work very hard in a short time or make huge change in their life. But in real life, success usually comes from small habits that we follow every day. These small habits may look simple, but they slowly change our life in positive way. A habit is something that we do again and again. It can be good or bad. Waking up late, using mobile for long hours, or skipping study are bad habits. Everyone can follow them. The biggest benefit of small habits is that they reduce pressure when we set big goals. Studying for many hours at once can make us tired and bored, but small habit can't tired. Small habit also helps us become disciplined. Doing a small task every day teaches us regularity. Discipline is very important in student life, especially for those preparing for exam. Another advantage of small habit is that they build confidence. When we complete a small task, we feel good about our themselves. This feels good about ourselves. For example, writing on only one page but regularly, it can more help in our life. Over time, we realize that we have improved, and this boosts our confidence. Small habits also save time. Many people waste time because they do not plan small activities. Simple habits like making a daily to-do list, waking or early, or revising notes regularly help manage time properly. Biggest example of small habit, world famous Malala Yusuf. First, she feared with public speaking. After that, he tried small tasks. At first, she tried public speaking in front of trees in general. After that, he tried a room, only empty room. After then, she's now world famous woman. Thank you for watching this video.